Okay guys, thanks for tuning into this Diagnostic World video. In this video I'm going to show you a quick demonstration of the iCarsoft LR version 1.0 kit. It's a fantastic home-based DIY diagnostic tool for anybody with a Land Rover or a Jaguar vehicle. Now in this vehicle, as you can see here, we have the check engine light and the red triangle with restricted performance message. Now before we get into it, this kit is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. I'll put the link directly to this kit in the description below this video. So what we're going to do in this particular video is show you how to diagnose and reset this check engine light. It's going to be a really quick video. So we've got the tool plugged into the diagnostic port and we need to go to our home screen and click on to Diagnostic. So we'll click enter. And it's giving us a choice of Land Rover or Jaguar. We need to click Land Rover, and from this moment onwards you really just need to select your specific vehicle. So we are in a Discovery. It's a 2010 model and it's the 3-litre diesel V6. So we're going to click onto manual. And what this does is, this presents us with a list of all of the systems which you are able to actually diagnose and connect with. You know, all of the main systems: engines, airbags, ABS, transmission, suspension, you name it. But what we're interested in right now is the engine. So we're going to click on the 3-litre diesel V6. It's going to ask us to read fault code. And here is the fault code that we have: P0102, mass or volume airflow circuit low input. We've had a problem with the MAF. We put a new MAF sensor in, and what we're going to do now is click on to clear fault memory. Obviously, once you put a new part in, the warning lights will still be there. You need to actually use this tool to clear them. So we're going to click on to clear fault memory. It's asking us, are we sure we wish to continue? So I'm going to click OK to this, but when I do that, just keep one eye on these warning lights here. So we'll click OK. And there we go, warning lights have gone, erase operation done, and it's all thanks to the iCarsoft LR version 1.0, which is, in my opinion, one of the best diagnostic tools for Land Rover and Jaguar vehicles on the market right now. It's an absolutely fantastic tool, packs a powerful punch, a lot of systems, a lot of coverage, a lot of vehicle and system coverage. So as I say, I'll put the link to this kit in the description below this video, but it is available at Diagnostic World. It's www.diagnostic-world.com. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope it helps.